Newton's first law of motion. For all the three laws, we should impose one condition, that these laws are applicable only for inertial frame of reference. Inertial frame of reference, that too, mass must be constant. In modern physics, we consider varying mass. Here, the mass is supposed constant in all the three laws. This is automatically understood. In the first law, that is also known as law of inertia, we define this law as every body having its own state always tries to maintain the state till the external force is applied on it. It simply means the body is having constant speed, it will tend to have. Body is moving in a particular direction, it will tend to maintain that direction. Body is having the position of rest, this will tend to maintain that. This is what we call first law. This law actually introduces the concept of force. It explains also exactly what's the characteristic of inertia. We'll have certain examples. For example, some luggage has been put above the vehicle and the vehicle which was running suddenly comes to a stop, applying the brake. The luggage that was placed will have a tendency to move forward. Why? Because though the brake has been applied, but the luggage still have a tendency to continue the motion. That goes even with you also. You are standing in a bus and brake is applied, you fall little forward. Similarly, just an example, there is a glass. You place one plate over it. One plate that is slippery, and above that you put one coin. If you suddenly push this plate, very fast, then the coin that was placed above this plate would be flicked off and this will fall in the water inside the glass. Newton's first law makes the concept of force very clear. But there goes one very misconception in public life. Mostly people feel if somebody is in motion, there must be force behind it. It's not the case. For the constant speed, for maintaining the constant velocity, no force is required additionally. The force is required only when you want to change the velocity. For changing the velocity, there are three ways, by changing speed, by changing magnitude, by changing direction, by changing both. So when force is required, only then you can understand that there will be change in velocity.